In a world where convenience is key, this BlendJet 2 portable blender stands out as a revolutionary tool for those who refuse to compromise on health and quality. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or simply someone who loves a fresh smoothie or shake, this blender promises to redefine your blending experience. Let's dive deep into what makes the BlendJet 2 a must-have gadget and explore why it might be the perfect addition to your lifestyle. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite smoothie, protein shake, or fresh juice no matter where you are. With the BlendJet 2 portable blender, this is not just a dream, but a reality. This 16-ounce blender is designed for the modern, on-the-go lifestyle, allowing you to blend effortlessly at home, work, gym, beach, or even in your car. BlendJet 2's portability is unmatched, making it an indispensable companion for those who live life in motion. Its compact design means it fits comfortably in your bag, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Whether you're heading to a picnic or a business meeting, you can now carry your blending essentials with you, ensuring that your health goals are never compromised by a busy schedule. One of the standout features of the BlendJet 2 is its patented TurboJet technology. This innovation allows the blender to handle tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens with ease. The high-speed stainless steel blades spin at an impressive rate, delivering smooth and consistent blends every time. Imagine effortlessly creating a frosty smoothie or a chilled fruit juice, even with the toughest ingredient. The BlendJet 2's power ensures that you won't be left with chunky or uneven blends, giving you a perfectly smooth texture in every drink. Say goodbye to the hassle of disposable batteries and the limitations of traditional charging methods. BlendJet 2 features a USB-C rechargeable battery that offers up to 15+ blends on a single hour of charge. This modern charging solution means you can recharge the blender using any USB port, be it from your laptop, car adapter, or a portable power bank. With such efficient charging capabilities, you're always prepared for your next blend, whether you're at the office, traveling, or just out and about. Convenience of USB-C charging ensures that the BlendJet 2 fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle without adding extra hassle. Cleaning your blender has never been easier. BlendJet 2's self-cleaning feature is a game changer. Simply add water and a drop of soap into the blender and run the blending cycle. In just a few seconds, the blender is clean and ready for your next creation. This feature not only saves you time, also ensures that your blender remains hygienic and ready for use. The ease of cleaning makes the BlendJet 2 ideal for busy individuals who need a quick and efficient way to maintain their appliances. The BlendJet 2 is more than just a blender. It's a versatile kitchen tool. The Pulse mode transforms your portable blender into a mini food processor, perfect for making dips, salsas, and other culinary creations. This added functionality allows you to expand your blending repertoire beyond just smoothies and shakes. Additionally, the Lock mode ensures that the blender stays securely in place while you're carrying it around. This feature prevents spills and leaks, allowing you to confidently transport your blended creations or take the blender with you on your travels without worry. The BlendJet 2 doesn't just perform well, it looks great too. Available in a variety of colors and patterns, this blender can complement any style or preference. Whether you prefer a sleek black design or a vibrant, eye-catching color, the BlendJet 2 offers options to match your personal aesthetic. Its modern design, combined with its powerful performance, makes the BlendJet 2 a stylish addition to your kitchen or travel gear. The BlendJet 2 portable blender is more than just a blending device. It's part of a larger mission to make healthy living more accessible and convenient. BlendJet's commitment to everyday wellness is reflected in their innovative products, which are designed to support your health goals and enhance your lifestyle. By providing a portable and efficient blending solution, the BlendJet 2 aligns with the company's vision of making good health a reality for everyone, regardless of their busy schedules or on-the-go lifestyles. Conclusion: perfect portable blender. In summary, the BlendJet 2 portable blender is a game-changing appliance that combines power, portability, and convenience. Its ability to blend tough ingredients, along with its USB-C charging and self-cleaning features, sets it apart from other blenders on the market. The versatility of pulse mode and the practicality of lock mode add to its appeal, making it a valuable tool for both everyday use and special occasions. Whether you're looking to enhance your health routine, enjoy fresh beverages wherever you are, or simply add a stylish and efficient blender to your collection, the BlendJet 2 is a top contender. Its powerful performance, ease of use, and sleek design make it a standout choice for anyone in need of a reliable and portable blending solution. You enjoyed this review? Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.